Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a small metal token that feels reliable in your hand, a coin, washer, or keyworks. Once chosen, define the outcome you want, the single, measurable behavior you will track. Place the metal where you will see it at the start of your routine, and then touch it deliberately when you commit to the action. This links a tactile stimulus to intention. Make sure to keep the token visible. Repetition builds the association quickly, and you'll notice memory cues strengthen. You now reinforce the association by using the metal token every time you intend the outcome. Touch it, state the outcome aloud, and visualize the desired result for 10 to 20 seconds. This strengthens encoding. Once done, layer a simple sound or posture with the touch so the memory has multisensory anchors. Make a brief record for 1 to 2 weeks. Note what triggered the action and the success rate. Then adjust placement or the cue intensity to keep momentum and prevent fading. You finish by turning the metal cue into a routine. The same place, the same touch, at the same time of day. This consistency cements outcome memory. When ready, scale up by swapping tokens for new goals or using color-coded metal tags to separate categories. If the association weakens, troubleshoot quickly. Increase touch duration, layer a fresh sensory cue, or shorten the interval between cue and action. Keep testing small changes until the memory reliably triggers the desired behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.